Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to clean up your C drive or local disk C in your Windows 10. It's a simple procedure but very effective, and we gonna show it as fast as possible. You don't need to use any third-party programs. That means you don't have to download any creepy tool. For your information, when you clean up your C drive, your computer will run much faster. So let's start. This is my local disk C before cleaning. First go to Windows and click the right button and click on Run. Then write temp. Click on Continue and delete all temporary files. Now go back to Windows. And now write this. And delete all temporary files. Do the same thing. Change it and write prefetch. And delete all files. The last thing is to empty the recycle bin. And this is the result. We hope that you found this video useful. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment so that you don't miss out on any other tips and tricks we have in store. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.